regarding the parameters. This is the equivalent circuit representation of a transformer. The primary winding contains resistance, reactance. Secondary winding contains resistance, reactance. These are leakage reactance due to leakage flux. This is a fictitious branch, imaginary again, because the primary current contains basically two components. Whenever we give a voltage across the primary of a transformer, the primary winding draws a current I0. This I0 is not in phase with V, this I0 is not lagging with V, but this will be something like this with a big angle phi naught. Practically, we know transformer losses are very small. When transformer losses are small, transformer no load losses are much low. So, on no load condition, the current drawn to supply losses is very low. This is the loss component. This is the magnetizing component, ZPF lagging current, zero power factor lagging current. This current has two components. One is in phase, other one is out of phase with V. This current purpose is to produce flux in the core. This current purpose is to supply losses. See, V1 into IC. IC is I0 cos phi naught. VIC is nothing but V1 I0 cos phi naught. This is a watt component, loss component, which is very small value. To represent IC IM, two currents along with I2 dash load component in primary, we need one more branch, because in one circuit we can't represent three currents. This is totally again a fictitious branch to represent IC IM. IC is in phase with V voltage, IM is 90-degree lagging voltage. That's why to communicate that we use a resistance, we use a reactance. RC, XM are not resistance or reactance of any part of a transformer. R1, X1 are resistance, reactance of primary. These are physical importance, but they don't have basically a physical significance. Imaginary parameters. For example, RC, XM depends on IC and IM values. So, to represent IC and IM, we are using an imaginary XM. It's a pure reactor. We cannot find an ideal reactor anywhere. It's imaginary value. Just to represent that a current which lags voltage by 90 degrees is producing flux, magnetizing current. We have taken XM. Now, IM value, XM value, IC value, RC value. If you see, IC, IM values don't depend on RC, XM actually. RC, XM values depends on IC and IM. Now, on no load, as the loss component is very small, generally IM value is bigger than IC. So, when IM is more, compared to IC, if this is more, XM is less. If this is less, RC is more. Therefore, the relationship is RC is always greater than XM. Next, we need a relationship for R and X also. Generally, in the windings, there is resistance, there is reactance. We always go for least possible resistance, reactance also least possible value only. Despite of the best effort in the machine design, reactance value will be more than resistance. It's a leakage reactance. Resistances are always least values. So the relationship in the when it comes to resistance reactance is X is always greater than resistance of the winding. So, it was given the per unit resistance of a transformer, per unit reactance of a transformer, RC XM. These values are very big values. Why? Because the values depends on currents, and the no load current is 2 to 6% of rated. When a low current is flowing in a circuit, the impedance of the circuit is very high. RC XM values are practically extremely high. These are very small compared to this branch. That is why we neglect this circuit sometimes in the approximate circuit for the analysis purpose. Finally, these values are very big compared to these values, and individual relationship, here RC is greater than XM, here X is always greater than R. So, finally, if you form a relationship, in these two RC is greater one. So, RC first comes, highest one, next XM, next only those values. In these two, the least one is R, X per unit, R per unit. That is the relationship. These are the parameters of winding. Always resistance is made as minimum as possible. Practically we take near to 0 in the windings, very small, but leakage reactance is always more compared to resistance despite of the machine design effort, best effort we put. These are imaginary values, these are very big compared to them. In these two, RC is more than XM. So, this will be the relationship. So, the answer is A.